Everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa tayo ng reaction video. Ang continuation to ng sa Redwood City nila Kim and Paolo for today's video. May mga question and answer portion ata dito na excited akong mapakinggan. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Charis!
Uulitin ko. Ano po ang tanong?
Ay, may tanong.
So, ang tanong ko,
Okay. Kasi hanggang alas 11 lang tayo dito.
kinig talaga ako sa inyo. So, what's the score between you?
Maganda ang intro mo, pero may punch sa lahat. Okay? Ngayon, Kim, Pao, bahala na kayo.
What's the score?
100. Out of 100, the score is...
Ay, hindi.
Super kayo, ha?
Ano bang gusto mong score, Kim?
Siyempre, 100. Wala!
Thank you, Mami Jane.
Mami Jane! Masaya na saya! Thank you, Mami Jane!
Oh, and you get a special something from us.
Thank you, Mami G.
Ayan, at dahil taga Cebu ka, meron kang danggit. Okay? Okay, thank you. Your
Madami
turn.
talaga to, ha? Dear Kim and Pao, tonight means... Ano yan? Medyo...
Tonight means
Titi.
IT boys.
TT, ano? TT Bulls.
Parang pangit na
Sandali. Parang ang laswa pakinggan.
From Joe Perry.
Ano yung kitibkoy, ma'am?
Sir Joe, please explain yourself.
Sure.
Sino si Sergio?
Ayan, si
Titi
Sir
Boy.
Jack.
Gusto kitang kausapin ng personal.
Parang ayaw na ni Sir Joe.
Anong ibig mo sabihin dito sa sinulat mo?
Joe Perry.
In 5,
Joe Perry.
4, 3,
Next.
2,
What? Okay. Buti na lang.
Ayaw na niya iharap yourself niya. Ganyan, ano ba ito? Susundan ko kay Mami Jane?
Kinabahan ako.
Ay,
Okay, next Inday.
Okay,
Ano next?
dear Kim and Pao, tonight means killing. Love, Christine.
Christine!
Lang, walang apelido.
Christine! Makakapagtanong ka ba within this week?
atake.
Saan ka galing?
Sa Matika.
Sa Mantika?
Lugar niyo.
Lugar yun.
Yes.
Masaya na makita si Kim at si Pao.
Oh, tapos?
No questions?
Ay, no. Ano ang tanong?
Yes, I'm happy. Oh, are you happy in your first tour here in Redwood City?
Oh, I love the question. Are you happy on your first tour in Redwood City?
Oh.
Super talaga. Actually, hindi ko talaga in-expect na ganito kadami sa salubong sa amin ni Pao! Yes, super happy talaga. Actually, lahat, kinakabahan talaga kaming dalawa. But with your
Bakit naman
response,
kinakabahan?
with all your laughters and presence, it means so much. You made this first leg memorable. Thank you very much, Redwood City!
At syempre, hindi natatapos dyan, Kim and Pao. O, ikaw naman, Pao. Ikaw naman, Pao. O, Pao.
Yes, I'm happy. It doesn't show. Hindi lang halata sa mukha ko, pero masaya ako.
No, actually, totoo yun. Masayang-masaya sila. Lalo-lalo na si Pao. Pero
Tsaka
syempre,
hindi niya pinapakita yung mga baby pictures niya. Lo, ayun lang talaga.
baby pictures?
Baby.
Oh my gosh, ang
Baby
cute.
picture.
Sana makita ko
Nakita
yun.
ba?
Kanina, nakita.
Gusto niyo bang makita?
Nakita
Ay, nakita na kanina.
Chumichika kasi sa likod.
Hindi kasi nadala ko kanina sa World Remit natin. Okay, speaking of more fun, eto na, diretso na tayo sa ating karaoke segment. Of
Karaoke
course, to be led by
segment.
Kim and Pao!
Yes, kung alam niyo yung kanta, sabayan niyo kami. Ito yung mga
Ay,
kinanta
kakanta
namin
sila.
ikaw sa mga
Ano kakanta niyo?
performances namin.
Says and unconditional love together!
Wow! Alam mo, napaka-movie at napaka-sweet ng ginawa
Hindi
ng
ba siya
Kim
kumanta?
Pao. Ayan, o Kim, Pao.
Nakakaiyak!
Hindi ko na maiiyak ka.
Bakit naman naiyak?
Blow, okay, blow na the candle in 3, 2, 1.
Ami may pa-birthday.
Yay!
Sana
Thank you.
all.
Kim, ano,
Talaga
sweet.
nakaka-teary talaga. Like, really.
Aww.
Thank you, everyone. Grabe. Hindi mga kami concert king and queen, pero thank you so much for joining us tonight. At sa mga Kim Pals, grabe, ilang years na tayo magkakasama, but still you're there to support me and Pao, to love us unconditionally. Sa teleserye man, sa out of the country show, out of town, basta lahat. Thank you talaga.
And also, thank you for that dance number. Thank you so much. Thanks for the effort. Thanks for remembering our birthdays and our anniversary. Thank you.
Oh, Kim Pao, tingnan nyo. Tears of joy si Kimi. Oh.
You deserve it,
Thank you.
Kim.
I'm very happy, very grateful for all the love, the support
Si Paolo,
that we're
kung tumitig ka, alam mo, walang
receiving from all
bukas.
the Kim Paos around the world.
Okay. Thank you, Kim Pao. O, dito tayo.
Yung photo, yung
Photo
photo.
tayo dito. Sige.
And of course, I think it's only right na pasalamatan ng lahat. Everyone, all the sponsors. Ayan.
Pero ano sa... Okay, again, Redwood City, hindi namin makakalimutan tong...
Happy birthday, Kim. Happy birthday.
Diyos ko, akala ko sa lips sila mag-kiss.
Birthdays and our anniversary. Thank you.
Oh, tears of joy.
Mag-kiss, tingnan mo
all
ah.
the love, the support that we're receiving
Tingnan mo,
from
tingnan
all
mo.
the Kim Paos around.
Pao. O, dito tayo. Of course, I think it's everyone, all
Ayan o, ayan o.
Okay, again, Redwood City, hindi namin makakalimutan tong...
Happy birthday, Kim. Happy birthday.
Isa pa ba? Isa pa ba? O, picture. Iabangan nyo. Bilang kayo ng 3.
Oh my God.
Again. Bilang kayo.
Three. Oh, kiss.
Happy birthday.
Sure naman talaga. Mag-hello na lang tayo, oy. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, everybody! Thank you so
It's not
much!
even like it. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, Diyos ko, ang tinig ko dito sa tempo. Kahapon pa to sila. Naubos ko na din. Saan sila next?
Ayan, eto na. Totoo na talaga to.
Saan sila
Ganun pala yung itsura ng likod ng ulo ko. Ganun pala nakita.
Oo, malagong kasi yung hair mo. Pero again, sa Redwood City, San Francisco, thank you so much for... Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yes! Kami din ako na-cry! Napaka-oy! Iyak kasi ito na muna.
No, thank you. I know, as I've said earlier, a lot of you guys came from other areas or other countries even. So thank you from East Coast pa. Okay, layo pa. May galing Brazil, may Cebu pa. Fresh from the Philippines like us. Thank you so much for your time, for coming over here, for purchasing tickets to our show. We appreciate it. On Sunday, we're also flying to LA. If you have friends, family there, if you have I'm not sure if we still have tickets, but if they still are, please invite them to watch our show. And again, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts.
Yes. Also, yes.
Tapos
Thank
na
you very
tuloy.
much. Sana nag-enjoy
Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Kibo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.